Welcome. Today we're diving into how to leverage Instagram's Close Friends feature to boost your business promotions effectively. First things first, let's talk about setting up your close friends list. Selecting your audience strategically is key. Think about the types of content you can share. Exclusive offers, sneak peeks, and personalized messages will keep your audience engaged. Engage with your close friends by encouraging feedback. Use polls and questions to create a two-way conversation. Don't forget to analyze the impact. Use insights to measure engagement and effectiveness of your close friends' promotions. Stick to best practices for maintaining exclusivity and authenticity in your content. It's all about being genuine. Boost your reach by cross-promoting your close friends' content on your other channels. Foster a sense of community among your close friends to build brand loyalty and keep them coming back for more. Let's look at some brands that successfully used close friends for promotions and the lessons they learned. In conclusion, leveraging Instagram close friends can be a powerful tool for your business growth. Start connecting,